Hi, moving on further, why don't they buy? If you listen to the last few videos I posted on this, why they don't buy, why the customers don't buy, you now got a gist that they don't buy because they know you don't care. They don't buy because you know that you're in it for you. But now, how do we change that? Now, you as a business owner, let's be fair, right? Really should not be in business, should you? Do you want somebody to give you a product service that doesn't give a crap about you? Let's face the facts. Look at the last 10 purchases you made. Were you not concerned and worried that if things go wrong, I may not get my money back? Oh, you may be getting it back because of the guarantee you got with PayPal and eBay. But is that guarantee because of the guy's seller? Or is that because of the media, the eBay, the PayPal, or the credit card you use, they've trapped the seller into giving you value? It is about the seller should have a deep desire to want to give you value beyond your expectations without being forced to. They should want to do it. Why? Moral duty. If I don't care about you and what I'm giving you as a product and service, why should you be giving me your business? Do I deserve to be in business? No. Hence, look around you. Friends, family, people that you know at work, acquaintances, have a look around you. Find somebody that's very successful. Sit down and talk to them and ask them, how come they're successful? First, you will not find anybody. And secondly, if you do, they're just having a lucky ride. It's not going to last. Why? Because the bloodline is infected. What's the bloodline? The customers. What's the infection? The customer knows you don't care. The customer has not got a compelling, irresistible reason for wanting to stay with you and be loyal to you. Like I told you the story about my friend. So, if you want to be in business, you start thinking about the customer. And what are you going to give the customer? It isn't enough to give them a good product and a service and live up to a very good guarantee when things go wrong. No, no, no. When the customer walks out of that door and starts looking for a service and a product and they know about you, they should not be thinking about anybody else but you. And why would that be? Because you're giving them something that nobody else wants to, that nobody else cares to. And they feel in their heart that you care about them. And it's more than the money. It's a moral duty. The customer's thinking this guy will take care of me. When things go wrong, he won't look at 20 ways how to get out of it, but he'll look for 25 ways how to put it right. He will say, stay at home. My guy's going to come down, pick up that car, bring it to the garage, fix it, and bring it back to you. By the way, he's going to come with the car so you got it for 2 days because I've got you protected here. We fitted your engine. Things have gone wrong. We'll put it right. Chill, relax. Have you ever had that in anything, let alone fixing a car? No. Even big companies like O2 and AA and RAC and Tesco's and Asda are all out there to rip you off. Don't you feel that? They trick you very cleverly. Don't you feel this? How often do you feel, I am safe? This guy, this company, this business, this lady, she will take care of me. Never. And what's the results? 0.25. What is 0.25? That's the number of businesses that go self-employed and actually have a chance of making it. That's 1 in 1,000. Why is that? Same reason. They don't care. So what you need to do is you need your product and your service. Design your product and service that actually meets the needs, desires, wants, anxieties, which I explained before your customer. But they must be life-changing. The customer knows I'm about to pay £155 for whatever they're buying from me. They know my money is safer with you than it is in a bank. Do Do your customers feel that? Do you feel that about the people you buy from? No. So do you deserve to be successful? No. So why are the statistics 99 to 1? It's the way it should be. The top 1%, look at long term, I've explained this before. Now, your question should be, how do I engineer my product and my service to where it makes the customer feel, I want to do business with this guy. Not because I have to, I want to. Get it there. And if you can, you shouldn't be in business. Hence, 96% of the population working in the world is working for someone else. And only 4% are self-employed. And massive majority of them go bankrupt because they ain't got a clue. They're not in it for the customer. Who's in it for the customer? Also, with the customers, it's not enough to deliver something that they're very, very happy and content with. You must be giving them 10 times what they can get elsewhere. 10, 20, 30 times what they can get elsewhere. So you shouldn't be in business if you can't do that. Yes, it's true, you might be thinking, how can I do it? That's where I come in. You keep listening to this channel and we will post these things. That's what we specialize in. You know what one of my guarantees in my business is? Get ready to laugh. I don't give you what you want, you don't pay. Very simple. 2, I only work with people where I can give life-changing results. I want to give you what you really want in life, not just to fix your car. What do you want in your life? I'm a private business mentor with private clients. I work one-to-one. But my point that I'm trying to make to you here is this. If you want to be a slave of the world, explained in my earlier videos why 95% of the businesses fail. There's 5 videos up there on this channel. Carry on. But if you want to be let out of this prison where you are a slave of the system, slave of the world, and you are going to live your life the way they tell you to live it, if you want to get out, then you have to change. Do you want to know who you have to change? Is you. It's really not your fault because the system is rigged to lie to you and trap you into a thinking system where everything is against you and you've got to be born a millionaire, otherwise you ain't going to make it. Well, that's not true, is it? Not everybody in the world is a born millionaire, right? You can do it and you owe it to you. I accept the 99% of what's out there. Okay, it's a trap and we can easily get tricked into it. But the choice rests with us. You can make a change. You should want to make a change. I or anybody else shouldn't be telling you how to live your life. It is your life. So you have the right to make a decision as how you live it. Question is, are you going to make that decision? There is no limit to what you can ask for. And there's nothing stopping you from getting there. Just have the right mental attitude. Keep listening to this channel. You'll find you help enough other people to get what they want out of life, you'll get what you want. You make it a policy that you will take care of every single customer you will come into business with or you don't want to be paid. Watch how your business grows. Your customer must deeply feel that you genuinely care about what they want out of life more than your fees. Like I said to you, I say to my customers very simple. A, I don't deliver, you don't pay. A, I deliver, after you've had it, you're not happy, make a call. The money will be in your account and keep the product and services I've given you as well. I do not want to work with customers that are not happy with me. And I do not want to work with customers that want to cheat me. So you want to keep my money and the product service? Go for it. Absolutely, it's yours because you're not going to make it. I only want to work for people who are like me, who genuinely want to help others to make a change in their lives to give them what they want. You can only go forward by helping others. Genuinely, truly caring for others, getting them out of this trap or being slaves of the system or working for bosses and companies that don't really give a crap about them. You've seen what happened at Convoy. They tried their best to wipe out the self-employed. Look at how they rigged it. They tried their best to wipe out the 5% self-employed. Pay attention to what they did. Look at what they asked for. What about a guy who went self-employed a year ago and paid them £20,000 in taxes as an example? He's not covered. You could have 3 years of accounts. What about the guys who went self-employed after that? Do you know why they did what they did? Because in self-employment, they don't make money. They make money when you're trapped as a prisoner working for somebody else. And you know what? You are helping them. You can change it. Question is, do you want to? It's all down to you. Stop blaming others. Yes, you're trapped in a system, but no, you can get out. I got out. Millions of people across the world have got out. Like Sylvester Stallone says, a famous quote, it's not about how hard you can hit. You should know the rest. Watch the movies, especially the Rocky one. What is the next line? Is how hard you can get hit and keep moving. And you know what that means? That means I'm going to help you whether you like it or not. Keep listening to these videos. You will discover the best kept business secrets. Only 0.25% of the self-employed people in the world actually know them. And even fewer are implementing them. Hence the results. Hence the results. It's up to you. Keep listening to these videos and slowly, I'll reveal them all to you. Best of luck.